Hello everyone, my name is Kumkum Bala. I am from batch 2011-13 of Manage. Currently I am working with Coromandel International Limited as a sales manager, taking care of Bangladesh, Sri Lanka and Nepal.
Hello everyone, my name is Ravi Kumar Kuar. I am from batch 11-13 of Manage. I am working with Advanta Seeds, a UPL group of company, and we are here in Hyderabad.
Greenery, serenity and biryani.
Yep.
So one change which I see is like working late at night, and in a stress condition as well, meeting deadlines. I can actually in the timeline is very tight. Then we can work in full night and then look fresh the next day. So it is like that. So these all things were not there earlier, but yes, Manage gave these all things.
It's like overall it becomes made you more comfortable and more adaptable according to the situations to gain some confidence at OT. None of us actually.
Yeah, truly speaking, both of us were like just friends.
It was not planned, so we never thought about this. It's like something is destined. So we came to Manage first day. I mean, not to join. It was before joining. So our GDPI happened on the same day. We were in the same group. Then when we joined, we get in the same first assignment group and we sit together. I mean, if I remember, it was the second row of left side. She was at second place. I was at third. And then we sat at the same place for next 2 years. So it was not planned, so none of us actually said this.
Only when we left Manage, something clicked us, like, okay. I think for me it was perfect. Like, I don't want to do any changes. Maybe he will like to delete Kumkum from his life and then see someone else.
What was the
There are many memories in Tea Lounge, Tea Lounge is the place where every batch has super memories. So one incident which we remember as a batch was like we were having this session with our seniors and there was something bad happened in that presentation and they scolded my team, actually me a lot, though it was not my mistake. So I was very sad that day, and then there was just a birthday party after that session. So we were asked to play Mahabharata, a play of Mahabharata in the Tea Lounge. So we were separated as Pandavas and Kauravas, and I was one of the Pandavas. I don't know which role I played.
Being.
No, it may not be Bhim, but yes. And then one of my batchmates, they're very good in acting, like Siddharth Batola, Ruchir, Srinath. So they were Kauravas, and Siddharth was playing this Sakuni. So that anger, from me was coming like anything. I was like killing all the Kauravas here and there. Whole batch was fighting in the Tea Lounge, and then finally every Kauravas was dead. This Siddharth Batola, who was Sakuni, he again came back from dead and say, "Bhanje, please go and kill like Bhim or whatever I was playing." Then again I slashed the sword in Siddharth's neck, and then again he died. So like it was so fun. Everyone was laughing like hell. So everyone praised also. So that memory, it was a very peculiar memory, I would say.
We used to have a lot of birthday parties and late night parties there. So Tea Lounge was very special.
Thank you. किसी हो गया
So, what is Ram's favorite destination?
Switzerland, Europe.
Yeah, actually, he's also written the same. Like, yes, my favorite destination is Switzerland.
And ma'am, what's your favorite destination?
Switzerland?
So obviously I have to go with Anna.
You have to go there. Is it?
Yes.
So, what is ma'am's favorite place?
Walking way.
So,
Same.
and what is yours, sir?
Same.
We both
Both
will
of
go
you
to
saw
I
this
think
together.
it-
Both of you saw this together.
It is common. It is common for whole of our batch.
This will go in air, yeah? Oh shit.
So, yours?
So you are Siddharth.
Neeraj.
Okay.
Seniors also, no?
All the juniors are favorite.
No, my favorite, like whole of the PC were my favorite. They helped me a lot and
They asked to prepare a group song. So there was only two persons, one singer, Bayal, and one guitarist. It was Menon.
Menon.
And there are four other guys. So one of those was me. We prepared one song and we sing it before the Almany. And that day, after the initial 30 seconds or 45 seconds, everybody will stand up and they started clapping. भाई बंद कर दो तुम लोग. And we said नहीं, अभी तो बहुत मजा आ रहा है. And we continued for whole 5 minutes. तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा मैं क्या करूं सजदे सर झुकता है यारा मैं क्या करूं तुझ में रब दिखता है. That's it.
ठीक है. Okay.
Ma'am,
For her, what I like is she love to make the random things. I am very calculated. I schedule my things, but she come up with some random ideas. नहीं अभी let's scrap it and let's do something. So in a way, it's a fun.
For me, like anywhere, whenever I have some problematic situation with the client, with the any assignment, so I will just discuss with him, and he will have a different angle, different perspective of his own, and I love that solution which he has. So that I like very much.
Only thing that let's be in touch. We all. It is especially for our batchmates. We share 2 years together. Any good memories, few not so good, but that was a part of life. Let's connect again, meet again sometime. I'll meet or in chapters or whenever you come to Hyderabad, just give us a call. We'd love to meet you.
Be it be seniors or juniors, we have such a lovely seniors, so lovely juniors. So it's really fun to be part of this managed family. Yeah, obviously. There are many memories again here. So I was a CR of my batch for almost 1 year or maybe 6 months,
second year.
whatever. So I don't know, it was that time or when. So we were having this first fresher party or first alumni meet.
First party.
First party. So what happened was first time in we were dancing the whole night. Everyone was like, okay, you have to go on and on and on. So when we sang, when we sang the anthem, our managed anthem in the morning, and then they told there is a flag hosting of 15th August. So you have to just go, freshen up, and then come back with your B suits. And my whole batch were just sleeping on the chairs, and there was
Guest was there, the national
So
anthem
many
was
people
going
were-
on, and
No,
we
but
were
national
sleeping.
anthem,
So-
they actually stood up. All my seniors were so angry. So, but it was very funny. You know, people were like doing this, dozing off in the mid of the celebrations. So.
Just make some connections. I mean, you guys are well qualified, mature, technology wise, much smarter than us. But the human interaction, human connection has its own value. So just do it for these 2 years among yourself, with your senior, juniors, teachers,
Professors. Yeah.
corporate clients, whoever comes to the campus. Just make some connection. That will
live
be
live
right.
your life and manage. You know, like these years will not come back, and then. You know, whatever you do, be it be any assignment, be it be case studies, be it be breakfast, just love whatever you do. And that will take you long. You know, in corporate life also, whatever assignments come to you, you just love and do everything. Don't get angry or frightened so much of work. So that's it.
I mean, apart from assignment, make sure the fun part, because we all are missing those things. Assignment you will get whole life, but that fun, the friendship, that togetherness, just enjoy that moment.